Alright, I have got my Maytag Bravos XL HE washer. Just getting started out on a load. Some pretty heavy jeans in there, a couple of towels. And it's going through the auto sensing phase right now. Just wanted to show you that this guy's in excellent shape. We're going to kind of follow it along through its cycle here. That way you know everything on it works perfectly when you buy it. Get it home, plug it in, everything works. That's the important thing about buying anything. It's what I like to know, so I do these videos just so people who buy from me know that it works. When you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. So essentially on these, it's just important to know that they're nice and stable, not making any weird noises, especially in that final spin. It spins super fast, and I'm going to show you that it's nice and quiet and balanced. So we'll come back as it moves through its cycle. Then I'll end up showing you the dryer. Alright, so now looks like it's still in the wash cycle. I don't know if it's getting ready to switch over to rinse or not. It's the first time it's drained the water out. Got nice and full with water. Did a really good job agitating those clothes around. You can hear the pump running. So we'll let it fill back up and we'll come back for that final spin cycle. Okay, and we are back. Final spin. It is spinning very fast. It's one thing I really like about this type of washer, the Cabrios, the Bravos, is that when your clothes are done, they're clean and they're very light, so it makes for a very short drying time in your dryer, which saves on electric and all the way around. But as you can see, it's nice and smooth, sounds great. And it actually gets going even faster, so I'm going to pause and come back in about 2 minutes. Okay, and this is, I believe this is about the fastest it goes. Anyway, we'll let that finish up and we'll show you the dryer. I don't want this video to be too long, but I think it's important to see the spin cycle in action. And of course, this is locked. You cannot open that. Got your little red lid light on there so you know it's locked. Alright, so I've got this guy all cleaned out here. Excellent shape. Now we're going to move on to the dryer. Also in excellent shape. I'm going to touch up the top. Other than the top, both these machines are pretty much in like new condition. I'm going to show you that it works good. It sounds good. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. I got my little temperature gun. Anything that red dot shines its light on, that's the surface temperature. Just like to heat up and check it out. Open that up here. Heat comes directly out of this tube here. See, it's nice and hot in there. Get a picture of that real quick. Perfect. So you see plenty of heat coming out of there. Nice huge capacity, which is great to match that huge capacity on the washer. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up and get these listed. Now you know both of them work as described, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out. Be glad to answer them for you, and do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.